Hello, today we are discussing our homework in science. First, you open your science books to page 122. Here you can see a table which consists of three parts. They give us the information about city 1, city 2, and city 3. Each table contains the information about the highest temperatures, the lowest temperatures, and the number of precipitations or rain which happens in this or that month. We have months ranged from January, March, April, June, July, September, October, December. Next page 122 contains the task. Number 1, your friend is planning a trip to city 2 for next July. What kind of weather should your friend prepare for? So we go to city 2 table. We choose the graph with which says July. And what we can see that the average high temperature here is 31 degrees Celsius, which is rather high. The average lower temperature is 22, which is also high. And we can see that the number of precipitation is 19 centimeters. Yeah, if we compare 17 to 9, 10, and 8, we can see that 17 is the highest number, the highest number of precipitation. It means that the weather is hot, 31 degrees, and dry and wet, not dry. Next one, two of the cities, number two of the cities listed are in the same region of the country. Which two cities are in the similar regions? What do we have to do? We have to compare numbers. Do we have the cities which have equal numbers for high temperatures, low temperatures, and precipitation? For example, if we compare city 1 and city 2, the first graph contains absolutely different figures. City 1 and city 3 has the same numbers in the first column. Compare the rest. If yes, so that would be the right answer. And the fourth question is city 3 has one box missing. The data in one box is missing. Are missing. We are suggested to choose the appropriate number between 18, 21, 10, or 2. So what does it mean? We know that city 1 and city 3 are similar in their data. So try to compare the number of precipitation and the lowest temperatures in city 1 in April, June, and choose the suitable number. There is an exact number, but which number is closer to it out of 4, A, B, C, or D variant. After that, I suggest you to move to the next unit about the climate and try to explore or conduct an experiment on page 130. It says, how does temperature change on a mountain? We did that. We discovered that the higher we get in the mountain, the lower temperature, the lower the temperature is. So high in the mountain is very cold. But I suggest you to think about the sun's radiation, heat, and this is page 133. It says, how does the sun's radiation vary on Earth's surface? So to conduct this experiment, you need a flashlight, a ball, and colored tape. You know that the Let me show you the picture. The F is divided into two parts by an imaginary line, which is the equator. And I wanted to share the picture with you. Here we can see the equator. Here we can see our planet Earth, the sun and the sun rays. Right in the middle, the sun rays hit the Earth following directly. The angle is 900 degrees. So this equator territory of the Earth is heated the most because it gets the most sunlight. If we look at the arrow above and arrow below, we can see that this arrow hits the Earth not at the direct angle, but it is a bit slanted. It means that the sun rays are spread over the larger territory. It means each piece of land gets less sunlight compared to the sunlight to the place around the equator which gets the most sunlight. Try to do the same. Your sun, your torch will be the sun, your tape, your ball will be the Earth, the tape will be the equator. Try to direct the light of the torch to your imaginary Earth or a ball, and try to see, to feel the heat from the torch at the equator and at the poles, imaginary poles of your ball. Thank you very much.